Going to Phantom Ranch can be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Its remote location makes it a unique experience, but can also come with some curveballs. Every so often, Phantom is faced with a water pipeline break, which means running water to the facilities can be shut down. In this instance, you are provided with a red flush bucket to flush your toilet. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the flush bucket method in order to give you a better idea of the accommodations you will be provided with. Whether you are staying in a cabin or a dorm, the flush bucket method will work universally. The only difference will be where your water fill-up station is located. You will be notified of the specific area by the person who checks you in at the canteen. If you have any questions about where to fill up your bucket, feel free to go to the canteen and ask the person on the counter for help. A red bucket will be provided outside of your cabin or inside your dormitory. Please be courteous and refill each bucket after use so the next person after you doesn't have to worry about it. Here is the step-by-step process for how to use the flush bucket. Step 1. Bring the flush bucket into the bathroom. Step 2. Lift the toilet seat. Step 3. Dump the 3/4 full bucket of water down into the toilet swiftly. Step 4. The toilet should automatically flush. Please remember to fill up the bucket 3/4 full once you are done and enjoy your stay down at the bottom.